Okay, moving forward to our basic lectures, let us assume that we are getting a question on checking how do you check a number, it is positive, negative or zero. Okay, so with these small programs, we are trying to build our concepts. Whenever we'll have to check these things in a bigger program, we will use these concepts. Okay, so for this, we are taking input via scanner class. Okay, we have also learned how do you take input via scanner class. So this is the standard thing that you will write. This time we are not taking input from this place, right? So you will not put here, right? Anything. So you have to check a number. So if it was a functional argument, then you could have taken a number here only, right? But now it is a scanner class, so you will have to declare this scanner class, and now you will write something on the screen so that it comes on the screen for the user, that enter the number, enter the number to check. You can write a good word here, right, which will prompt the user to enter the number. Now he will enter the number. As soon as he enters the number, we will take it inside the integer variable n. And to store integer using scanner class, what do we write? In dot next int. So this is how you can take input from a scanner class also, right? So once you have got the input, now you have to do something called as you have to check, right? You have to check if your number is even, odd, or even, negative or zero. So we know if my number is greater than 0, right? Let us first check if my number is greater than 0. Then if it is greater than 0, then it is of course what? Positive. It is positive, right? It is positive, right? You can also then, if this condition is not true, you can go to the next condition. Else if my number is less than 0, then you can say negative, right? You can say negative. And suppose if both the conditions are not true, that means the number is what? 0. The number entered is 0, correct? And then you can close your program. So this is how you can use if also, scanner class also, and other concepts that we have learned in checking something called as positive, negative and 0. Okay, so we understood some greatest number, 3 number, greatest number. Okay, suppose now someone asks you, do a check for something called as leap year. Okay, so we will do that in just now. So let's discuss quickly how this program would run, right? How this program would run is, you start from your main method always. You come inside, the compiler sees a scanner class. Okay, so it knows what is a scanner class. It has to take input from the keyboard, right? It will take the input from the user, and an integer n will be inputted. Once the integer n is inputted, you know if else will be solved from top to bottom, right? If you have seen the theory class, you know it is solved from top to bottom. So first it will check this. Suppose the number is something as 5. So it will check this. My number is greater than 0. So it will print positive and it will exit the program. Because only one condition out of these 3 will get executed. Suppose the number is -3. So first condition did not execute. So it will go to the next condition and it will see negative and enter, right? And suppose you have 0. So this will also not execute. This will not execute. The else part will get executed and you will get the answer as 0.